How to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Firstly, open up your Google Chrome and open up Google Forms. You can also search for Google Forms, or you can also enter it from clicking on this menu. You'll see Forms on the bottom of this menu. Here you can create a new form and also connect an existing form. After you open up the form that you want to connect, here you'll need to head over to Responses. Here click on the three dots and click on Select Response Destination. Here you'll have two options. One is to create a new spreadsheet. You can also name the spreadsheet here. You can clear this out and rename it as you want. You can also connect it to an existing spreadsheet. Choose your preferred option and click on this button. Now the spreadsheet has been linked. You can view the spreadsheet by clicking on this spreadsheet icon. Here it will show you all the responses of the respondents. Because I do not have any responses, it is not showing up. So that's the one way of connecting the forms to Google spreadsheet. Another way is you can create a new spreadsheet first, and from there you can head over to Tools and click on Create a New Form. Now as soon as you do that, both the spreadsheet and the forms will be linked. Now all the responses will automatically show up in this area.